I just want to say thank you very, very much for being here. It's so nice for us to be able to connect with you at this level. I have 3 SAP VIPs who are here that I want to introduce you to very briefly. So I have Steve Lucas, who is the head of the database and technology business.
We're in the pink shirt.
Yeah, I was
Joey
told,
would
my
be
friend.
so proud.
And no
My wife
tie. Everybody was showing
My
up
wife
at a tie.
physically told me this was salmon, and it's not salmon.
No, it's pink.
And then at the middle of the table, I have Amit Sinha, who's the head of database and technology marketing. And then at the other head of the table, I have John Schweitzer, who's the head of the analytics business at SAP. So if you want to hear about big data, you're in the right place, and SAP has a great story for you. So thank you again for being here. I really appreciate it, and I wanted to pass it over to Steve for a quick moment.
Sure, a moment. I feel like I should stand. It's like I'm having deja vu at like a wedding rehearsal here right now.
Except.
Recently.
So there's no way.
I actually am thrilled to be here. It feels awkward to be so down far on this very skinny table. It feels like we're eating in a submarine. But you know, first of all, thank you for doing this. This is great to just get together at dinner. You know, it's such an exciting time at SAP, and it's so funny that you know, to have such amazing journalists and press and media here at a dinner with this 40-year-old kind of stodgy German software company called SAP, but here we are. And I can tell you that, you know, and I'll speak just on, you know, I know that John may want to say something or Amit, but, you know, from my point of view, I can honestly tell you that there is such an energy internally at SAP, and there are so many new and exciting things that we get to do. You know, it's great to have the SAP name, but to be able to have, you know, products like HANA that in my 20+ years of software, I've never seen anything like it. Anything that goes from 0 to, you know, almost $500 million in revenue is what we're hoping to get to, certainly US dollars this year. We don't know the exact number, don't quote me on that. But the point is that it's such an exciting time to see so much growth. And I really do believe a lot of it is the kind of perfect, you know, kind of magic convergence of all of this data and information, the explosion of things like analytics and mobility and just so many unique things kind of converging at once that we're in a really, really special time right now. And, you know, I'm looking forward to hearing all of your opinions. I swear to you, I will not whip out another whiteboard. I already did it once. I was like drawing and asking for input. But you know, I do want you to know that SAP right now, we are trying to, if we're not at, we continue to look for ways to take our company to the eye of the storm when it comes to things like big data. And we believe that, you know, our analytics solutions, acquisitions like Sybase, and of course new innovations like HANA have really brought us into the eye of the storm. And you know, we certainly look forward to sharing very, very good performance and results, you know, after we get through the next 2 weeks in our Q3. And we appreciate your time more than anything else. And John, I don't know if you have any welcome comments, but certainly appreciate all of you being here.